In this video, I will show you how you can connect Perplexity AI to Lovable. So it's really easy to connect it. You just need to click on this plus button on your chat box, then choose connectors, manage connectors, and from here you want to choose browse connectors, and then you need to find Perplexity and you want to click on setup next to it, then add connection, and here you want to choose your display name. So let's say test, and then you need to add your Perplexity API key. So you need to open Perplexity, then you want to click on your account, then API, and you need to create a new API group to be able to create API key. So you just need to fill all this information and then click save. And now you should be able to create API key from here. You just need to wait for this. So after you clicked on saved, you should see these API keys on the left side. And from here, you can accept terms and generate API key, and then you can copy your key and paste it in Lovable. But you can't create API key with no credit, so you just need to add your payment method and then buy some credits to be able to create API key in Perplexity. So then you just need to paste your key here and then click on create. This will connect your Perplexity to Lovable. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.